Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be talking about technical indicators, technical tools to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Okay, so this is the chart of Bitcoin, and the price is just hovering around at 20,000. From past many days we were talking about this thing, in the initial in the past few videos as well. And today there is a Fed meeting, so you might not see a good movement till the time we are not getting the outcome of that meeting. So after that outcome, we would be able to see where the price can go, and that is the reason today and yesterday we got a small dozy. So you can see that the price is just just above then 20,000 levels. So again, it's just holding up the support area with very less volumes available here. Just look at here. So till the time we are not getting good volumes here, till the time we are not getting good participation from the traders, I don't think so that the price will give you more momentum. So till that time, you can see this kind of momentum where the price just hovers around at the support area. And so this is the moment we can expect in the for the next few days also. And if you look at the Ethereum also, so for Ethereum also the same situation is there, and here the price is just trading in a range. And yes, so this is the momentum, and you can see that the price is just trading in this area, which is 1050 is the support and 1215 is the resistance. So currently today and yesterday no momentum, and however, just look at the yesterday's volume, that was good. So let's see where the price can go. And today again, till the time the FOMC meeting outcome will not come, you might not see much momentum here. So this is something for the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can just look at here this movement. And once the price comes out from this range, if you talk about Bitcoin or Ethereum, so for the Bitcoin the levels are, or the range is 22,600 and 20,000. so once the price will come out from this range, you will definitely see good momentum in the Bitcoin. And for the Ethereum, the levels or the range is 1215 resistance and 1050 as the support area. So again, once the price comes from this area, you will definitely see much more trading activity will happen at that time. So till that time, this is a range bound market for a short period of time. Overall, it's a downtrend for Bitcoin and Ethereum, for both of the cryptocurrencies. So let's just wait for the outcome, and then we might able to get more clarity on the price direction. So this is all for today, not much to say. And please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification in future. So thank you so much for watching us today.